Davening the Jew.
What? The elliptical. Part 2.
Asshole, all you gotta do is slide it.
Is it over the hole?
Go answer her! She's gonna call you like 20 times.
Praying to the god of exercise machines.
Where the fuck is the hole?
You gotta stick it in! You need a flashlight! You need a refrigerator!
You're a fucking retard! Oh shit! You're a fucking retard!
You need a refrigerator! You need a flashlight! I can't breathe!
What are you trying to do? I just busted a hole! I busted a hole! Oh fuck! Alright, hold on. I can't feel the hole.
Okay.
Okay, first you need a screw in there to screw
What
it.
the fucking hole?
Look. See, I can get you a refrigerator if you need. Put that in there and spin it and see if you can get it in the hole.
I want to buy a refrigerator. I want to buy a refrigerator with a TV in it.
I'm taking the other screw with me just in case.
Asshole, it's over the hole now. Ah.
Good, stick it in and screw it.
Quick, before it runs away.
Before it runs away.
Fucking-
Are you sure it's over the hole?
Why don't you come inspect the hole?
Holy
wait.
shit!
Lucky Louie, me. Window washer. Around the world.
Okay, I'm getting the phone now. You screw it
The
in.
phone that's not ringing anymore.
Well, my mother's a fucking pain in the ass. All she does is call here. She's probably gonna kick me in the balls for saying that. We're gonna be on Oprah for me for dysfunctional family.
Let go of the camera. That's my camera, it's not your camera, quit.
Holy shit, it's going in the hole.
It's going in the hole.
going in the hole.
I feel it. I feel you, baby.
What do you need?
What do you want? Tell her to bring home.
Because we were doing something.
Tell her to bring home chocolate cake.
We were putting together the stupid elliptical machine and fighting violently over it.
They're videotaping.
No.
The audience doesn't know we're
I
videotaping.
took the eggs off the stove. And I didn't burn the house down.